Fourth and final quarter, championship game, Borac versus San Roque. Pista Barangay Borac, Salcedo Eastern Samar, 40th Division.
Number 9.
Fourth quarter, last and final quarter.
Number 9.
First throw by Bantilan is good. Bantilan wala. May foul. Tutok mga OS. Kaba wearing number 8 of San Roque. Tumira from the right, wala. Rebound by Abolincia to Bantilan to Upanda. Abolincia, wala. Abolincia again. Upanda, may foul. Ranilye. Last quarter. Last 4 minutes. Kabakaba to Kabakaba. To rebound by Kisa. To Panda, to Bantilan, tumira, perimeter shot is good by Bantilan. So, yes, basket, lucky bounce. Pasok again. May foul, Panda. Bakaba. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Bantilan. Tabuling siya. To Panda. To Kisa. Patay oras na sila. To Dangko. Tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound by Ranilye. Paagaw, pinasa sa kalaban. Foul. Number. Bantilan. Foul.
Foul number 8. 2 minutos. Sino ka number 8? Sino? Edwin.
Bantilan. Basket.
Toto.
Bantilan.
Last 2 minutes. 2 points by number 8. White is with the strike by 3. Napulong.
Nabulin siya. May foul.
At sinong sum.
First three is good.
Sige.
Basket.
One minute and 4.
Tumira ng 3. Wala. Panos up.
Dalawa.
My brother. Kaba.
1 minute and 20.
1 minute and 20.
25-35.
Pulong ala about Borac.
15 para shoot.
Stats.
Time to shoot.
1 minute and 16 seconds.
Time to shoot.
Banti
5
lang.
to shoot.
Kamera ng 3, kapos. Shots by Buloy.
1 to shoot. 1 minute to play. Gis para shoot. Igo Andre. 35 segundos. Try.
Okay, oras na.
Okay.
That's the end of the ball game.
Champion.
That's the end of the fourth quarter. Kampiyon ng Burak, Portem Division, Corpus na Barangay Burak, Salcido Sama. Sikandan San Roque. Laramano. Third and Barangay Bagtong.